the new PC.
So it is a Dell Optiplex 7010. Looks like
7,010.
it has quite a few USB in the front, and it has a CD-ROM. Yeah, and it's quite beefy as well. So I have ordered this with i7 2 terabyte hard drive and 32 GB memory. So should be really
Amazing.
good for my home lab,
So we can jump in
as
the
I
bubble.
am just working on some training with
Can we jump in the bubble?
not
Aww.
put this away. Before we do anything, I want to
What's that?
open it up. Oh, it has a wireless.
It's wire full. Is that a new printer? No, that's not a printer. What is it then?
It's a computer.
Should I cut this so...
No, you don't need to cut it. We can unwind it. So this is what I'm going to do.
It's too strong. Oh.
There you go.
Then... Oh my gosh, it's like full of circuits.
So,
It's like a fan.
so that's the CPU. Yeah.
It looks like a place, a work.
And it has DIMM modules.
That probably took like over
4. It is 8 gig each. So that's a total of 32 gig memory. And as I said, Western Digital 2.0 terabyte hard drive,
And a
which
little
is pretty good.
Dell.
And I do have another port here, which is amazing because I do want to connect a additional SSD here, solid state drive, which I will be using.
Yep. This
And
one looks
eventually
like
I
a
might
laptop.
end up unplugging the CD-ROM drive
The fan.
after I install ESX server, of course, and then use the SD card as SSD there. No touching. Okay.
That's about it, I guess. I think so.
Yeah. That's pretty much. I'm going to power on and do a test on this,
Hello.
and then we are going to start building our ESX server,
Let me be.
and we are going to start building our ESX server as soon as we do a power on self test, and then we'll be building it.
Oh yeah,
Thanks, bye.
and wait. If you play Roblox, go search in the game's Temple Jump, because that's the game that I created.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I remember. Yeah, nice.
It's very cool. Even I played it and I was super hard.
It was super hard? Nice. Okay then.
A little bit.